Welcome to Design by Geeks and Risa Rocks It. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a square flameless candle luminary. I'm going to be showing you with this Design Bundles Plus product, but we also have other designs available at Risa Rocks It, like this haunted house. I'll put the links in the description. You can make it with or without the insert. These both have an insert, and here's what one of them looks like without the insert if you want kind of more of that seeing through to the other side effect. And you just place it over a flameless candle, like one of these. This is really easy to make, and I'm going to show you how. Cut out your pieces on your cutting machine, and you're going to cut them out twice so that you end up with 2 of the decorative piece and 4 of the optional inserts if you are cutting those. Now, what your decorative piece looks like is going to vary depending on which design you're making. For the insert pieces, I recommend using something like Vellum or something that is transparent so that the light is going to still shine through on your finished piece. For the decorative piece, Cricut users, make sure to set and attach the score lines. If you need help with how to do that, go to the tutorial that I have linked up in the cards to show you how. Next, you're going to fold the decorative pieces along the score lines. And you're going to want to do that for both pieces. So there's going to be a score line at the side for the tab and then a score line in the middle. And if you like, you can use something like a bone folder to make those score lines really sharp. If you're using the inserts, your next step is going to be to tape or glue those behind each panel piece. Now, if you are using Vellum, I find that double-sided tape tends to work a little better than glue. So I'm going to add some double-sided tape to the back side. And we'll just continue that with all 4 panels of the 2 decorative pieces. And then we're going to place our vellum. Just repeat that for all 4 sections of your 2 decorative pieces. Your next step is the same regardless of if you're using the inserts or not, and that is to place either glue or double-sided tape along the side tabs of both of your decorative pieces. So I've already done the first one, and I'm going to go ahead and do that for the second one. And then you're going to use those tabs to attach your 2 decorative pieces together to form your cube shape. So make sure everything's right side up when you're attaching them. All right, this is now all assembled and you can place it over a flameless candle. And now you have a cute and easy decoration. Thanks so much for joining us today. We'll see you next time. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.